In this video, we will see how to apply a filter or filters in a Wireshark in order to capture or display only particular traffic. In Wireshark, we have two ways for applying a filter on the traffic. The first way is to apply a filter before the data is captured by the Wireshark. The second way is to apply a filter after the data has been captured by the Wireshark. The filter which is applied before the data is captured is known as capture filter. The filter which is applied after the data has been captured by the Wireshark is known as display filter. The difference between the two is that in capture filtering, the Wireshark captures only particular traffic as according to the filter applied to it. Other traffic is not captured by the Wireshark in this case. On the other hand, in display filtering, first all the traffic is captured by the Wireshark. Then a user applies a filter on the captured traffic according to his need. Now let us see how to apply the filters on a Wireshark. This is the interface which we get when we open the Wireshark. In order to apply a capture filter so that Wireshark can capture only particular traffic, we have two places where we can apply a filter as capture filter. The first place is here under capture section where we can apply a capture filter. We have a green icon. If we click on it, we can see that we have some predefined filters which when applied act as capture filters. Now if we have to add our own filter, then we can go to manage capture filters field and click on it. As we have to add our own filter, then we have to go to plus icon and click on it. Let us suppose we have to capture all the traffic other than TCP. For that we have to first specify the filter name. Let us give a name to our filter as our filter. Then we have to double click on the right side to specify the filter. As you can see, the color for now is red. This means that the filter is incorrect and needs to be modified or changed. Let us give our filter as not TCP. The color changes to green. This means our filter is correct. When this filter is applied, the Wireshark will capture all the traffic other than TCP. So let us click OK. If we have to capture all the traffic other than TCP, we have to go to green icon and then go to our filter. After that we have to click on it and then click on the interface from where we want to capture the traffic. You can see that the Wireshark is not capturing any traffic. The reason for this is that perhaps the Wireshark is getting only TCP traffic. When it would get traffic other than TCP, it would show it here. Here we can see that we have got traffic which is not TCP. Now going back to our main interface, if we have to delete this filter which we have manually added, we have to go to the green icon and then go to manage capture filters section again. As we have to delete this filter, we have to click on it and then go to minus icon to delete it. As you can see, the filter has been deleted. If we have to delete any other filter, whether it is predefined or not, you can delete it in the same way. This was the first way for applying a filter as a capture filter. The second place where you can apply a filter as a capture filter is to go to the capture options and click on it. When you will click on the capture options, you will get an interface like this. At the bottom of this interface, you will find an option for entering the capture filter, similar to that of the previous one. So this was all about capture filtering. Now we will have a look at display filtering, where the Wireshark first captures all the traffic and then the user applies the filter to the captured traffic according to the need. Now let us see how to apply a display filter on a Wireshark. For this you have to first start capturing the traffic, and as you can see the Wireshark has started capturing the traffic. Now we have two ways for applying a display filter. The first way is to apply the filter while the traffic is still being captured by the Wireshark. For this you have to go to this section and apply a display filter here. Let us suppose I am going to apply the filter as TCP in order to display only TCP traffic. Now I have to hit enter to make this filter to work, or I have to go to this blue arrow icon and double click on it. Now you can see only TCP traffic on the screen, and at the bottom the packets count is 100 and is going on, while the displayed count is less than packets count, as we have applied the filter on the traffic which is being captured. Now let us apply a different filter. For this, first we have to go to this cross icon and click on it in order to remove our old filter. Now we have to apply a new filter, for example UDP, to see UDP traffic. Now I will hit enter. For now I have no UDP traffic, and at the bottom you can see that the packets count is 187 and the displayed count is 0, as we have no UDP traffic for now. Let us clear all our filters, and at the bottom you can see packets count is equal to displayed count, and Wireshark is still capturing the traffic. Like in our previous section, we have a icon here. If we click on it, we have some predefined filters. We can use these filters as display filters, or if we have to add our own filter, we have to go to manage display filters and have to add our own filter here. It is worth to note that the syntax for display filters is different from capture filters. So this was the first way for applying a display filter. The second way to apply a display filter is to first stop capturing the traffic and then apply a filter, or you can save the file and apply a filter to it. For now I am stopping the Wireshark from capturing the traffic. Now I will apply a filter here on this traffic. The total packets captured are 338 and the displayed count is for now 338. Let us apply a filter as UDP and hit enter. We have no UDP traffic. Let us check for TCP and hit enter, and here is the TCP traffic. Packets count is 338 and displayed count is 38. So these were the two methods or two ways where you can apply a display filter. Now we will learn the syntax for display filters in the next video. Hey guys, I tried to make this video as much informative as possible. I hope this would have been informative for you. Thanks for watching till end.